Good morning, everybody, from me, Mr. Bruns. I had to take it slow because I just woke up about 30 minutes ago, and then I laid in bed and scrolled on my phone. Not good to do. I need to cut that habit out before school starts. Right now, I'm getting ready to go for a WALK with Mr. Bruns because it's supposed to rain here soon. I haven't checked the weather out, but it doesn't look too pretty outside. The past 3 days I've been doing this like cleanse, and it's a ginger shot. First thing in the morning, ginger shot, lemon water, and then a green juice, and it's like a super food green juice. I'll leave the recipe down below so you can follow it. Yeah, trying to get back into our health and fitness. Me and Spencer haven't been to the gym in like a month, and that's out of character for us. We like to go, and we like to keep our best health in mind. Today we're going to, I think, paint a birdhouse that I have oh gosh, I can't even talk. I've had it sitting on the table for weeks and weeks. So we're gonna finally paint that. Maybe paint the coffee bar in here. Let me give you a show first. So this is what the coffee bar looks like right now. I don't even know. It's just not, it's so like grandma's house. And don't get me wrong, I love grandma, but this is not the vibe. So my thoughts are to paint it like we have the cabinets in here, white on top and this grayish kind of color on the bottom. I think we're gonna go ahead and do that today because why not? I have a lot of time on my hands. Let's get this day started with a WALK, right, Mr. Bruce? Everything, so we're gonna go ahead, mix this bad boy up, and then I like to juice it just using like a little strainer. Let me go get that, and I'll just put it into here and like mush out all the juice. You'll see it in a second. It does take a little bit, but until we can get a juicer, this is my first option, first and only option. To the fun part. And then I have like a little trash thing down here that I'll just scrap the scraps into. Needs to be colder for sure. put the chocolate in every 30 seconds and then I give it a mix just so that the chocolate doesn't burn. And if you didn't know, chocolate, yes, it can burn. So just be careful when you do that. Rainstorm has come in, so I don't have any lighting in here at the moment. So I hope you can see pretty well. But finally got everything off the coffee bar, wiped down, and taped off. So we are good to go ahead and start painting. Alrighty, let me show you where we've got with the progress on the coffee cabinet today. The first upper part completely painted white, 3 coats. Whew, took forever. And this is 1 coat of white paint, but remember we're going in and we're gonna make it look like those cabinets. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. I just threw a cute little casual outfit on. This is the hair I've got going on. It looks kind of crazy, but it's up, it's out of my face, and that's all I needed. Me and Spencer are about to join my sister. We're going to a baseball game with them. My brother-in-law is a coach. He coaches baseball at the collegiate level at our school here locally, so that's really cool. And he gets to do this minor league thing. They're all like D1 athletes or whatever, but it's really cool. We get to go and watch if we don't have anything to do, so we're doing that tonight. And yeah, I'll take you along with us.
What are you doing?
Come on, as soon as I went to turn, he took off, and I was like, yink.
Good morning, everybody. Just woke up. It's about 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna make myself some coffee if I can find. Literally, the whole kitchen is like full of crap, and I've got to get this cabinet painted this morning so that it can dry and I can get everything like back stored there and the kitchen back in order, because I'm sure me and Spencer are gonna want to cook dinner tonight. So yeah, I'm going to find, well, there's my coffee maker right there, so that's good. Step number 1 found. Alrighty, I've got my coffee here. I'm gonna change my shirt and then I'm gonna get after it. So let's go. Let's get her done.